Hello guys.
Hello guys.
This is Toys and Toys. Today we have a Play-doh Royal Sparkle from Sofia the First. So let's see the back.
Yes.
And now the front.
Yes.
Okay guys, let's open it now.
Yes.
We have 6 cans of sparkling Play-doh. We have a pink Play-doh, a blue Play-doh, another pink Play-doh, a green Play-doh, a purple Play-doh, and a yellow Play-doh with a heart stamp, a petal or oval stamp, Sofia the First mini doll, and you can also see that there's stamps on her dress and on her amulet, stamps in the back of her dress and under her dress. Box a necklace with an amulet that you can open or close. And the box also comes with a knife to mold the Play-doh. Okay, so let's first decorate Sofia the First dress. Okay guys, now we have Sofia the First and let's make the amulet now. Okay, so we have 2 kinds of Play-doh that we're going to mix. Yellow Play-doh and pink Play-doh to make the amulet. What a pretty necklace! Now it's time to make a heart with the pink Play-doh. Okay guys, we're almost done. Now we need the petal shaped stamp to make a flower. Okay, let's make our flower now. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video of Sofia the First, and come back for more videos here on Toys and Toys. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.